Hello and welcome to Soul Tarot by Nehal. This is going to be a reading for the period of July 2025 for the zodiac sign Sagittarius. Please remember this is a general reading, so only take what resonates, leave the rest. And all the other important links are down in the description below, so kindly do check them out there. For a lot of Sagittarius, what I really strongly feel is that it's time for you to let your past self go. It could be a habit, it could be something that doesn't serve you. Basically, it could be a relationship, it could be a job. It is something that you need to let go. You need to shed that side of yours and embrace the new version of yours, because that's what you are pushed towards. There is a forward movement, a very strong forward movement. So if in case you don't take the necessary steps, you don't willingly do things that are needed to be done, then the universe will push you to do those things. Now, one of the major reasons why I would say that it's best to embrace this change, best to embrace this transformation, is because there is something that is awaiting you, something really really nice. And the best part is that something nice is ideally what is meant for you, but what you really are doing is letting your past or letting something keep you under the same trap for like forever, right? So it's time for you to let go of that something that it could be different, because this is a general reading, so it could be different for different people. But there is something that you should strongly let go. It could be even some relationship, it could be some habit, it could be something from the past, or complete your past self. And it's time to bring that change, that transformation within you, and embrace a new version of you. So it definitely says here that some of you need to actually create a good balance, get balance into your life. There seems to be some sort of an imbalance, especially if at all it is in your emotional state. So there needs to be, like, you need to crack some balance in your life for that matter. But it is even going to lead you, once you work on this, it is going to lead you to some good things into your life. There may be some new things also that may come into your life through that. And at the same time, if you do that, some of your challenges also could get resolved. Some of your challenges could actually become a thing of a past post that. Hence, yes, there is something that you need to change within yourself, or maybe there is a lot that you need to this time change within yourself. Having said that, I feel that some of your things are even getting sorted for that matter. When I say that, it could be like, some aspects of your life were really not, falling in place. So I think some of your such things will fall into place. It could be, especially it could be related to your personal life. So it could be your, maybe friends, it could be your romantic relations, it could be maybe relations in any way. Like, it could even be your work relations. So that could be one of the thing. And the other thing is financially also, possibly you may see something really really nice, or at least slowly gradually things getting more and more sorted for in the month of July 2025. Let's dive deeper and see what are the other aspects saying for you. Okay, so again, a very strong and clear message that I have over here for you is that work-wise, you could be getting more focused about what you have in hand, and that's the best way to do it, because there is something else also coming your way. Now, there could be two things in this case: that there could be something that is coming to distract you, or it could be an opportunity that could be coming out of nowhere, which could add to your, you can say, to your altogether experience. But it is like you will have to take that up while you are actually already doing certain things. So while you're focused on something, you may have to even take that and focus on that as well. That is what I clearly see over here, but this is going to lead to a lot of growth to you. Yes, you will take that important decision, because with this Fool card I clearly see that you are going to be in middle of taking some important decisions when it comes to your work life. And there could be something that you have been thinking about really long when it comes to your work. It could be either change of work, job, or it could be some idea that you wanted to execute, or there is something that is there going on in your mind as in line of your work, and that is what it's time for you to execute. So it's time for you to come out of your shell, stop just thinking and rather take action. So it's even time for you to take decisions, and then even take the necessary actions when it comes to your work life. Yes, so as per the finance bit that I even mentioned some time back, was is that there is it's like the fruits of whatever you've done so far is what you're going to actually see now in terms of your finance. There are going to be certain challenges that you were going through a lot, but using your wisdom you will be able to overcome those challenges. And eventually, yes, those challenges are going to be a thing of a past, but with that your wisdom is going to increase a lot more, and you're going to be in a place where you're going to take decisions confidently. And hence, because of all these things that you've done, you will be bearing the beautiful fruits of all of it in terms of your finance. Yes, there is some huge new beginning coming to you in terms of finance now, in a positive way. So yes, if you were struggling for really really long, especially when it comes to your finances, this is going to be an end. So July could bring some real good opportunities where you could actually be able to give an end to your financial struggle, and have a fresh new beginning and much positive beginning and come in terms of your finance. Many opportunities that could come your way, which will lead to growth. There is finally all your hard work that you may have put in to get your financial stability or financial growth, that is going to get its fruit. That is going to now give you the returns. Whatever you may have put effort into, whether you worked through it, whether you were taking certain decisions just because you wanted to make things correct in terms of your finances, whatever it may be, but you're bearing the fruit of it now. And there is a transformation coming in your life when it comes to your finances in a positive way. So, in terms of your love, romance, and relationships, this is interesting. So, in terms of your love, romance, and relationships, there seems to be an end of something and beginning of something. Now, this could be romantic relations or friendships or anything, but whatever it is moving into a positive direction. Ideally, the most positive cards I feel I have seen over here are in your love and romance and relationship factor of your life. Again, let's talk about people who are single. Okay, first, so singles, yes, if you guys are looking forward to find someone and you want to build a family with that person or something like that, yes, be out there, get socializing. You may come across someone that you may feel that yes, I want to build a family. There are new beginnings coming your way. Yes, there is going to be again a very strong thing that I feel. Again, do not limit yourself to that, but a very strong sign that comes to me is Gemini. So yes, you could be coming across someone from Gemini or some air sign is what I feel. But again, you should not limit it to the zodiac sign. If you feel that this person is something that I would want to know better, you should take that step and go ahead, know that person better. Having said that, yes, all in all, a very positive thing when I see in terms of your love, romance, and relationship for the singles. positive go ahead when it comes to finding someone. Like, get socializing. Some of you could actually meet someone through your family, so that also could be a possibility. So be open to socializing with friends and family both. Okay. Coming to people who are already committed, that is, either you are already, sorry, my throat is bad, either you guys are already committed, or you, I mean, already dating someone, engaged or married. So yes, if you guys are looking forward to take the new next step of your relationship, this is going to be a beautiful time. Some of you may also choose to make your, like, especially people who are just dating as yet and have not, introduced your partners to your families. A lot of you may choose to go and, make your partner meet your, individual families as well. So yes, I see that. If at all you want to, the people who want to take the next leap of faith, like, you want to get married or conceive or so on, this is a beautiful time to actually take that leap of faith and go ahead with it. All in all, I see everything is so positive that I don't think anything else is to be said. It's simple. It's a lot and a strong new beginning in terms of your love, romance, and relationships. Some of you may even meet some new friends also, and out of those new friends, there could be someone who could be a love interest. So this, while I was shuffling, a very thing that again got me back to was, in the beginning I told you there is a huge transformation. It's time for you to release your past version and embrace the new. Yes, because there is so much happening. There are so many new beginnings. There is so much of new coming into your life. Hence, you should be doing that. Anywho, yes, again, life is coming full circle. Things are about to change. It's getting to a better place. You are being, strong, holding your ground, taking your decisions. That is a good thing. If you, any of your people, any of you guys, life has been too stagnant and there was no real movement happening, and you were feeling that, life is just being the same again and again, and there's no change, same challenges, same everything. Now you're going to see the positive side, positive things, and, a lot of positivity altogether that you're going to experience in this coming period. Surrender to the divine. So yes, surrender to the divine, because you're going to get guided, and, and I mentioned in the very beginning of the reading as well, that if at all you will not be taking the necessary things, you won't be doing what you can actually already sense and feel that yes, these things need to change, and you're not doing it, eventually the divine will intervene and make you do. So yes, either you can really take that charge and do it, or surrender to the divine, and the divine will make you do and everything that is right for you. Judgment. I understand that everyone has their own unique path and challenges. So yes, maybe you need to get to a place where you are, like, understanding towards yourself and others as well. While you are going through a lot of change and lot of challenges, everyone has their own path and challenge. So that's maybe what you need to understand, and you need to understand that your path is unique, and maybe now your path is to let your past self go and, embrace the new version of you. So don't judge yourself for making the changes that is necessary for you. Patience. Be patient and allow destiny to unfold at its own pace. So yes, do not rush into things, but at the same time be open to receiving, open to change is what I would say, because yes, things will happen at its own pace. Just be patient, surrender to the divine. This and this goes very well. Have patience and surrender to the divine to for the things to unfold at its own pace. Breathe. Inhale stardust, exhale magic. So Yes, I think it's very clear that you need to breathe, you need to stay grounded as well in this duration, because yes, there may be things happening, there may be shift happening. So yes, you may have to stay a little, grounded and all of that, but at the end of the day, take a breather. My life is a miracle and I belong here. So, this is going to be one of your affirmations for the month of July 2025. Claim this reading by saying, my life is a miracle and I belong here. And it is, like I said, transformation is coming. So, you can actually keep saying this and let miracles come your way and surprise you pleasantly. I am a warrior, brave and resilient in the face of challenges. So, yes, you are brave again in face of challenges, it says. So that's happening, and transformation also comes with some challenges. The first challenge is just that we ourselves accepting it, that okay, there needs to be a change happening, there needs to be the past self that we need to let go. So yes, remind yourself that you are a warrior, brave and resilient in the face of challenges. And the time of your challenge, if you feel that you're at peak of too many challenges, it means they are about to come to an end. Listening with calmness can unravel knots within our mind. Today, I will try not to react and respond instead. So, yes, try and avoid reacting to things. Instead of that, respond. Do not be in a rush to, react to everything and anything and everything for that matter. I think you even need to make sure that you're focusing more on yourself and your journey and your life altogether. Okay. Okay, so there could be changes coming to you, like it could be coming a little fast also. You definitely are going to have, major shifts coming your way in this duration. Irrespective, it's all good for you. You are overcoming some challenges. That's the best part. So even if there are things that things are coming to an end, you are going to fly high. This is going to be a period which will also determine how high you choose to fly, right? And whatever it is, choose out of love for yourself and not out of any kind of anger or ego. Some days are hard, but there is hope for tomorrow. So yes, there could be some days that could be hard, which is what I said, challenges are there, you have to let your past self go and so on. So they are going to be a little hard, some days are going to be hard, but there is always hope for tomorrow, remember. Do it or don't, time will pass anyway. So yes, I think it even spoke about surrender to the divine some time back. So yes, do it or don't, time will pass anyway, and time will make you do what is necessary after a certain point if you don't do it yourself. Challenges make me stronger and wiser. We've spoken about in this in this reading so many times about transformation and all of it, but at the same time we spoke about challenges, and even we spoke about wisdom and how you're going to become wiser. So remember this is a clear message again, that yes, challenges are going to make you stronger and wiser. So don't get bogged down with the challenges, because they are there to just make you strong and wiser, more so wiser. Yes. So yes, there is a lot for you to say yes to. There is going to be a lot of good stuff, and you need to say yes to a lot of things, is what I see. Again, of course, which is working in your favor, which is aligning with what you really want. So yes, say yes to those things. And like I said, say yes to receiving also, because a lot of times you end up blocking things, which is what I said in the beginning as well, that there is something that is holding you back and that you need to release. So yes, so say yes to release that. Let's see what is an empowering message that's there for you for the month of July. Helpers. Help is there for you. It's okay to ask for help. You do have support in your life. Give those around you a chance to help you. Accepting their help is a gift for you both. Maybe they are there in your life to help you, and maybe you are the one who is not letting them sorry, who is not letting them help you in whichever way possible. So be open to it. Again, say yes to help, right? Here we were speaking about, just before this we were speaking about the saying yes. So yes, say yes to help as well. A very clear message, very interesting and very powerful message for you guys. And I hope you do the you use this guidance to your most of the benefit. And yes, see you in the next reading. Until then, thank you so much. Bye bye.